Now I'm going to interview Mr. Agus Jaya, and I'm going to start with introduce ourselves. My name is Laiful Jaluruni.
My name is Vladimir Osmani.
My name is Muhammad. My name is Nailana Azizan.
Excuse me, sir. First, are you willing to be interviewed?
Yes, please.
What is your name?
My name is Mr. Agus Jaya.
Where do you live?
I live in West Cakung, atau Cakung Barat, and precisely in Gang Impres, East Jakarta.
What is your last education?
Last my education in medicine faculty and Universitas Indonesia, biomedics.
How many years have you been teaching at 89?
I have been teaching 3 years.
How old are you?
59 years old.
Right now, I'm going to ask Mr. Agus Jaya, apart from being a teacher, what do you want to be?
I want to be motivator and writer.
And then, what study tips do you think are efficient for us? For any children in
Okay. The effective ways how to effective learn. I have several methods. Can you use? For example, the first is must be concentrate on teaching in class, and then you must be focused of paying attention in teacher teachings, and that you maybe can make simple summaries so that learning materials become easy. And the last, you must be read diligently, and you must be like to practice questions. That's all.
Okay.
Sina?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you guys, that's all from Group 6.